Here is how to handle a trust overdraft in Clio Manage. With Clio Manage already open, go to the left navigation menu and click Billing. This takes you to the billing area where you can find a trust request connected to the overdraft. Under the Bills tab, look for the relevant trust request. A trust request is marked with the word Trust in parentheses next to its ID, which helps distinguish it from other bills or requests on the page. Locate the one tied to the matter that needs additional funds. If that trust request is still in draft status, click the drop-down arrow beside Edit. From there, click Edit to open the trust request. Once it is open, review the amount currently being requested for the matter before making any changes. Check the matter field and the amount field carefully. Make sure the request is attached to the correct matter and that the amount shown matches what is needed to restore the trust balance. This is the point where it is worth pausing for a close review, since selecting the wrong matter or leaving the wrong amount in place can delay the correction. If the amount needs to change, adjust the amount field so it covers the trust shortage or overdraft. The goal here is to make the request reflect the funds that need to be added back into trust for that client matter. If needed, enter details about the requested funds in the Notes field. Use this area to capture any internal explanation or reference that should be attached to the request. If no note is needed, move on to the Date fields. Review the issue date and the due date. Update either one if the timing on the request needs to be changed before it goes out. Once those details are correct, click Save Trust Request to keep the updated version. Back on the Bills page, open the drop-down beside that same trust request and choose Approve Trust Request when it is ready. After approval, open the drop-down again and select Send Trust Request. This sends the request to the client so they can provide the additional trust funds needed to resolve the overdraft. Once the funds are received, record the deposit into the appropriate trust account. Make sure the deposit goes into the correct trust account for the client matter so the trust balance updates properly and the shortage is addressed in the right place. Thanks for watching. The trust request has been updated, approved, sent to the client, and the deposit can now be recorded to restore the trust balance.